ITIL v3 was released in 2007. Think about how much has changed since then. Businesses have changed, as has IT's role in the business, and the IT we manage has changed, with a typical environment now being a hybrid of traditional IT and cloud and mobile, with a march at a quickened pace towards the later. Developments such as cloud computing, infrastructure as a service, machine learning and blockchain are new opportunities for value creation and competitive advantage through IT. And new practices have emerged, including DevOps, Lean and Agile, better suited to this changed business and IT environment, with IT-enabled services now an integral part of any business. IT service management has become a critical strategic capability that helps businesses visualize and manage the key outcomes and practices required to balance stability, predictability and quality with operational agility and faster time to value with continuous improvement. ITIL 4, introduced in 2019, was created to provide the guidance organizations need to address today's service management challenges in today's business and IT environment with today's best practices. ITIL 4 was released in 2019, ITIL v3 in 2007. It was revised for clarity in 2011 and retired as a training and certification path in 2022. ITIL 4 Foundation differs from ITIL v3 Foundation in several essential ways. Let's have a look at what's different. The first key difference is that the source publication for ITIL 4 Foundation is just one 200-page book. The ITIL v3 Foundation course and exam draw on content from nearly 2,000 pages across 5 books. It should be clear that with ITIL 4, Axelos went for a lighter weight approach that aligns better to today's more agile organizations. The second key difference is the course length. The ITIL 4 Foundation course is 2 days versus 3 days long. This is good news for organizations trying to fit 2 courses into 1 week and returning to the course length that was used back in ITIL v2. It also means that if you sit a classroom course with the exam, you'll likely take it at the end of day 2. As for the exam, it hasn't changed in format. Still 40 questions, multiple choice, 1 hour, 26 out of 40, or 65% to pass. Of course, the topics included have changed to cover the ITIL 4 content specified in the exam specification or syllabus. Here we see the ITIL 4 exam specification models just opposed against the ITIL v3 syllabus modules. Here's where you begin to see where and in what ways the ITIL 4 and v3 foundation content is different and the same or similar.